Another obsessive vehicle security install. This is a Holden VE Ute and it's got a Viper 5305V remote engine start. So it's also got the DBALL Data Bus module. So if I want to start the remote start, quite simply hit this button twice and then you'll see the dashboard powers up and then the car starts. Now what's cool with the DBALL system is it still allows you to arm and disarm the alarm via the factory Holden keys. So there you go, disarmed. And being the Viper 5303V, you've got the two-way remote control as well, which is super cool. For more information on vehicle security and remote start systems, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.